So how can you tell if you're straining your voice while you sing? In this video, I'm giving you one of my favorite tips for detecting vocal strain. Welcome to Singgeek. So a tired and strained voice can be very frustrating, not only because you have to rest your voice before you can sing again, but also because it can feel very defeating that you are straining your voice and somehow not getting your vocal technique right. Now, I used to struggle with strain before I learned to recognize it and learned that, okay, this is how it feels like, and so I should be doing something else. And one trick that helped me to identify strain, and which I also use with my students, is this spot right here under your chin. Now, if this spot is soft and squishy and you can dig your thumb into it, well, then that is a sign that you are not straining your voice. But if this spot right here, it gets hard and it actually pushes out your thumb even, well, that is often a sign of strain. Let's try to feel that difference right now. So just relax your jaw, your tongue, your throat, really relax everything and then feel how squishy it is. Yeah, very squishy. So now, as you keep your thumb here, try to swallow and feel how this right here pushes out your thumb and gets really hard. Felt the difference? Pretty cool, right? And you can also feel the difference from tension in your tongue. So for example, if you're pushing your tongue against your teeth, so try to feel squishy, relax, and then push your tongue. Yeah, I really feel how that hardens up. So that's a sign of strain. So what you can use this new power for, except from creating a red mark right here, is to use it when you're singing your songs to check if you're straining on certain sections. And if this place gets hard on certain sections, then you can pause the track and you can reset and use good vocal technique to really nail that part without strain. So what I mean here is that you want to make sure that you're relaxing your shoulders, having good posture, good jaw posture, and not tightening your tongue, and supporting everything really nicely with your air. Exercise. Push your chest voice high to feel vocal strain on purpose. Let's try singing while we're feeling for strain. So we're going to sing on a resonant M sound as we're sliding up. And the idea is that many people will start feeling some sort of strain as they try to push your chest too high. Then you might feel that tension. Let's try to push the chest high right now to see if we can feel that tension. So here we go. Yeah, I felt that. That's really cool. One more time where we do it wrong. Wow, I really felt that. I really felt that strain. Exercise. Break into head voice to feel singing without strain. Let's try right now where we just let the voice break or crack or go into any other register that you have as you go up, and see that if you just completely relax and don't try to push or pull in anything, see if you can just stay completely squishy under your chin as you go up. Let's try that. Yeah. It was completely squishy right there. One more time, just to get the feeling. Let's try it. Just let your voice break into your head voice and back to your chest voice whenever it happens. Here we go. All squishy. Okay, and you can actually use this to practice mixing your voice, right? So you can have your thumb right here, and then you can feel that if you start to strain, then you should relax more as you try to mix the two voices. Because it is easier if you don't strain, but often people will start straining because they get nervous and they really want to push to get that break erased, right? So let's try that. Keep a hold of the resonance. Yeah, and I can feel like I really need to hold on to my resonance as I get towards my break, to not want to push that chest voice up into my head register. And when you do that often, most people will start feeling that strain. Nice. So play around with that. It's not super easy, right? You really have to practice to get it right. And I'd actually love to know what's easiest for you, to go from low to high or high to low. So let me know in the comments below, and we'll see if there's one of the ways that's easiest for the majority. If you have more questions on vocal strain, I suggest you check out this video over here, where I really go in detail with how strain feels like, sounds like, and looks like, and where I talk about how you can avoid straining your voice. So I'll see you over there, where we're going to continue to geek out on your voice to create that sound that you want.